What's up guys, we're back with episode 2 of the Python Basics series. Today we're going to be talking about variables, which is going to play great with our next video, which is about data types. So let's go ahead and hop in and take a look at variables. Alright, let's take a look at variables. Variables are containers for storing data values. These are used all the time in programming. Unlike many other languages, Python does not have a command for declaring a variable. This means that a variable gets created the moment you assign a value to it. Let's go ahead and create our first variable. We're going to name that variable x and set it equal to my name, which is a string. When you're programming, you're able to name a variable whatever you'd like as long as it's not a reserved word. I'll put a link to the reserved words in Python down in the description below. One thing to keep in mind with variables are that they are case sensitive. So if I assign a variable x to Mitchell and then a capital X to YouTube, these are two separate variables. Let's go ahead and remove this line. So when creating a variable, we don't have to declare data type, and we can even change it after it's created. However, we do have the option of casting. Casting is something we do if we want to specify the data type of a variable. For example, if we had y equals string 27, that really is saying that y equals 27. We'll talk more about this in the next episode on data types, but just know that casting is an option. Let's go ahead and remove these two lines. So let's take a look at what exactly this is doing. If you remember back to our first episode with print statements, we can print a string, hello. If we were to run this, we would see it outputs hello. So looking at our script above, we're declaring a variable x and setting it equal to the string Mitchell. If we come down into our print statement and pass in the variable rather than a string, we're saying print x where x equals Mitchell. So now if we were to run this again, you can see it prints our variable. Variables are used all the time when programming, and we're going to continue using these in the future. This was a brief introduction, and in the next episode, we're going to be talking about data types. Thank you for watching, and please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode.